And a good day, everybody. Jewel here for J7409 Weather. The name you know, the news you can use. So glad to have you with me. What you're looking at here is the categorical outlook for severe weather today. This is how we're going to start it off. You can see it's in the significant margins in the yellow there from Texas, northern Louisiana, a good portion of Mississippi, northern portions of Alabama, a lot of Tennessee, from mid-Tennessee back to the western side. Same goes for Kentucky. Now, southern Indiana, you're in this chance along with southern Illinois and parts of southeastern Missouri and a big majority of Arkansas. Everybody else, you see the darker green, you got this chance of severe weather today also. Everything in the lighter green, that is a chance of severe thunderstorm activity that could be taking place today. Now, so far as the hail goes, looks like the greatest threat for hail is going to be in Texas, the very southern, southeastern sections of Oklahoma, and the very west sections and southwestern sections of Arkansas. That's where the hail should be if it occurs with any of these storms today. Stick around, folks. I've got this and much, much more all coming up on. And here we have, of course, the NAM map. This is the 12K near surface reflectivity map, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. So let's get on with it and let me tell you exactly what is happening with the weather. This map shows you what should happen for the next 3 days. So let's just turn it on and let it roll. You know, my friends, we have this southern edge of the westerlies. They're extending from the Pacific Northwest to the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast, and it's going to be this way through Thursday. Now, moisture from the Gulf of Mexico is going to stream northward over the lower Mississippi Valley and the Tennessee Valley, and it's going to pool. It's going to cause a pooling effect along the southern edge of the westerlies over the Ohio Valley, also into the Mid-Atlantic. Now, the moisture from this is going to make rain that's going to last through this afternoon, Wednesday afternoon, and upper level energies extending from the central Gulf Coast into Tennessee, the Ohio valleys, and into parts of the Mid-Atlantic. It should slowly move eastward to the East Coast by tonight. Now, the moisture from this and energy in the southern edge of the westerlies is going to aid in producing showers and thunderstorms over parts of the northern Mid-Atlantic into the Ohio and Tennessee Valley and parts of central Gulf Coast that will likewise slowly move off the East Coast by tonight. Now, an area of upper level energy over the upper Midwest, it's going to move eastward into eastern Ontario, and then it's going to be followed by several weaker impulses today, right on through tonight. Now, this energy is going to aid in producing rain over parts of the upper Great Lakes that will move into Ontario late tonight also. Now, additional rain should develop over parts of the middle Mississippi Valley today, and they should expand into the Great Lakes by this afternoon, dissipating overnight tonight. So maybe it won't rain for you guys, but a very short period of time. Now, multiple areas of upper level energy they extend from parts of the central and southern high plains all the way into the eastern Great Basin. They're going to slowly move eastward into the Mississippi Valley and consolidate. Now, this energy will move into the Ohio Valley this afternoon, right on through Thursday. Showers and thunderstorms should develop over parts of the central, southern high plains, slowly moving into parts of the middle Mississippi Valley at some point today, and then they should move into the Ohio and Tennessee valleys by Thursday. In addition, we got a weak front that's going to move into parts of the northeast today, right on through Thursday. Now, the boundary will produce showers and thunderstorms over parts of the northeast for today into tomorrow. Meanwhile, we have tropical moisture and daytime heating. All of this is going to aid in producing showers and thunderstorms over parts of Florida today, right on into Thursday. Also, daytime heating and moisture will aid in producing showers and thunderstorms over parts of the northern and central Rockies through today. And I think probably it might end by this afternoon for you guys. Now, it's looking like today an upper level energy will move southeastward out of western Canada into the Pacific Northwest, and then move into the northern high plains by tomorrow. Now, rain should develop over parts of the Pacific Northwest and parts of the northern Intermountain region by today, and it should continue into tomorrow also. Showers and thunderstorms developing over parts of the northern high plains today, moving into the northern plains by Thursday. That's a check of the general weather forecast for the lower 48. Now, as we take a look on the European model for severe weather today, this is around 9 a.m. this morning. You can see, looks like we got some very heavy shower activity with thunderstorms going on up in the Oklahoma area and into the Panhandle. As we move it along a little bit to around 11 a.m. this morning, they move and they increase in strength across the state of Oklahoma. As you can see, these are thunderstorms going on down in Florida, but not half as severe as what's going on up here in the Oklahoma area. We'll move it up a little more now. We'll go to around 3 p.m. this afternoon, and it's a slow mover. It's a slow mover. That means it's going to be a lot of drenching rain if you happen to be in the area that these cells are training behind each other. Right in here in Oklahoma, trying to move over into Arkansas some severe storms up in here. When they're kind of orangey and red, they're pretty heavy-duty thunder showers. But when it gets to be purple, folks, that's the big deal. That's the whole ball of wax. So you guys looking like heavy rain, heavy rain. Now, at 7 p.m. this evening, boom, they're in Texas, all over the place. Look at the purple spots. Texas, still some in Oklahoma. Some's trying to start up in northern Louisiana. And we will move up to around, let's go up to around 10 p.m. tonight, still in Texas. A lot of rain in these showers here. If you're in these areas of Texas, and now they're starting to trail more to the northeast, right on up and out. And we will hit midnight tonight right quick to see what it's looking like around midnight tonight. Let's get on up there if it'll go. Here we go. They've moved mostly out of Texas. Still a few stragglers hanging around right in this portion. But the most severe now is in Arkansas. A little bit of Mississippi getting some severe weather also right up in the northwestern corner of Mississippi. But a lot of Arkansas over here in the eastern part of your state is getting the severe thunderstorm activity at this point. And ending it up today, we're going to check out what the temperatures are going to be like for today. Of course, it's the 19th of June, 2019. This is what it's looking like right now, around 6 a.m. for this morning. Still rather warm down south. Look at Texas, some places 85, 79, 84. Would you look at Florida? Woo! Very, very warm. Moving right along during the day. This is around the 12Z run. Things are still warm down south, but not as warm as they're going to get. Look at there. By this afternoon at the 6 o'clock run, 102 in parts of Texas. Look at Florida. Right down in here. That's 103 right in here, folks. 103. This is the Fahrenheit temperature, not the heat index or the wet bulb or anything else. Well, the wet bulb temperature would be even more if you're outside working in direct sunlight with no shade. Hot, hot, hot. Hot in North Carolina. All down south. all of the Gulf Coast states, even over in parts of New Mexico. Look around Roswell area there. You're up in the upper 90s, going on over, of course, into Arizona, California. Very hot temperatures. And for my friends up in mid to northern Minnesota, looks like you could hit 70 to 72 degrees today. Very, very, very warm. This map, of course, is courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. Thursday morning early. This is at midnight Thursday. Look how hot it still is at midnight Thursday. Or midnight Friday. Early Thursday morning. Wednesday. I'll get it right. Wednesday tonight at midnight. It's still 105 in Texas. Look at that. Hot, hot, hot. Now as we move along to 6 o'clock Thursday morning, this is what the temperatures should look like. And we'll run it up a little bit by Thursday afternoon. It's going to be another scorcher for many. So please make sure you keep hydrated by all means. Drink lots of water, wear light clothing, and try to stay cool as you can, okay? With all that said and done, I love you guys. Thanks for watching, subscribing, sharing this information with your friends, your family, and on your social media to help me to keep people aware of things and safe. Thank you for everything you do for me. May each of you have a good day, a safe day, and a blessed day. Peace, love, and kindness to each of you, and thank you so much for watching.